Hey guys, today we're going to make this wonderful keto cheesy skillet bread. It's actually from my new favorite blog, All Day I Dream About Food. If you want to see how we do it, keep watching. So to start with, you're going to get all of your ingredients: some almond flour, super fine and blanched, ground flaxseed, baking powder, 3 eggs, we're going to beat those in a second, some sharp cheddar cheese, shredded, salt, butter, and almond milk. Going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 and get a 10-inch cast iron skillet. I'm going to go ahead and grab a tablespoon of butter, put it in the skillet, and stick the whole thing in the oven to get hot and sizzle while I cook the rest. I'm going to go ahead and crack the eggs and lightly beat them to use later in our recipe. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of the almond flour to a big bowl. A half a cup of the ground flaxseed meal, a half a cup of cheddar cheese, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. After I've added those dry ingredients, I'm just going to whisk them together until they're thoroughly mixed. I'm going to add a half a cup of melted butter. This one is extremely hot. And my 3 beaten eggs. And now I'm going to mix this really well till it's all combined and kind of forming a dough. And then add a 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. Now I'm going to switch to a spoon and really mix this until it is nice and combined and not as runny. And you can see the consistency we're going for. Now I'm going to take the skillet out and swirl it so that the butter coats the sides. Always make sure that you have your oven mitts, because muscle memory, sometimes you'll just reach for a handle of a skillet. I'm scared to death I'm going to burn myself. Pour the batter in and smooth the top with a spatula. And then you're going to go ahead and top it with the remaining half a cup of cheese. And put it into the oven to cook for 20 minutes. After that's done, you pull it out. Make sure, again, you have your oven mitt. You need to let it sit 10 to 15 minutes before you eat it. I'm going to let it sit longer and actually use it to make some keto stuffing. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.